buttercream. So easy to do. You need a mixing bowl, you need an electronic mixer, you need some icing sugar, and you need some room temperature butter. So easy. Let's go. So get your mixing bowl, put your butter in there, get your electronic mixer, and just mix it up. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. What we're looking for is for the butter to go a slightly paler white colour. When it becomes like this, you know you're done. We can get on to stage number 2. Add in roughly a third of the icing sugar into the bowl, and then grab your electronic mixer and mix it all up again. Add your second third in, same again, mix it all together. I'm just repeating myself now, so that's all you have to do. It's so easy, guys. Add in your third and final third. Mix it all up, and it should come out something like this. There we have it, some perfect fluffy buttercream. I put it on the carrot cake I made earlier, link in the description, and there we go. Easy, no problem.